How to make a fish bridge to allow the goldfish to pass from this pond to this one. We will use the same principle as for the fish slide, but with a big difference. We'll see at the end if the goldfish go through it. Glue assembled 100 centimeters diameter pipes with PVC glue. Then you make the structure hold as you can. Once the pipe is in the water, we will be able to suck in the air to fill it with water. I don't want to suck the air with my mouth so as not to drink the water from the pond. Then I will use a pump that sucks or blows air. All that remains is to suck in the air. Watch the water rise in my old bridge. Glue, glue, glue.
Glue, glue, glue.
Voila! Now the golden fish can choose their pond.